Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into The Mastery Manual by Robin Sharma, an insightful guide that offers practical strategies for personal mastery, self-discipline, and life success. This book helps you develop your skills and habits for living a fulfilling, purposeful life while achieving excellence in your career and personal growth. Sharma emphasizes that true success comes from mastering yourself, and this manual provides actionable lessons to help you on that journey. Stay tuned as we break down the key lessons and insights from The Mastery Manual. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more detailed book summaries that help you grow and thrive in every area of life. Chapter 1: Build a World-Class Mindset. In the first chapter, Sharma explains that mastery begins with mindset. A world-class mindset is about adopting a winning attitude, constantly learning, and pushing yourself beyond your limits. He encourages readers to develop a growth mindset where challenges are seen as opportunities to improve. Sharma stresses the importance of self-belief and positive thinking in shaping your reality. He recommends focusing on your strengths, setting big goals, and believing in your ability to achieve them. Key takeaways. A positive, growth-oriented mindset is key to achieving mastery. Self-discipline and continuous learning are crucial for success. Focus on your strengths and maintain a strong sense of self-belief. Chapter 2: The Importance of Daily Habits. In this chapter, Sharma highlights the role of daily habits in creating long-term success. He argues that small daily actions can lead to extraordinary outcomes over time. The best performers in any field are consistent in their practice and disciplined in their routines. He recommends setting up a daily schedule that includes time for personal development, goal setting, and reflection. Sharma believes that self-mastery is built through consistent effort and dedication to high-performance habits. Key takeaways. Mastery comes from the accumulation of small, consistent efforts. Daily habits shape your success over time. Create a daily routine that includes self-discipline and personal growth activities. Chapter 3: The Power of Self-Discipline. Sharma dedicates this chapter to the value of self-discipline in achieving greatness. He explains that while motivation can be fleeting, discipline is what ensures long-term progress. Self-discipline allows you to stay focused on your goals, even when you don't feel motivated. To strengthen self-discipline, Sharma suggests developing rituals that help you stay on track, such as setting clear goals, planning your days, and removing distractions from your environment. Key takeaways. Self-discipline is the foundation of mastery and long-term success. Develop routines and rituals that keep you focused and productive. Stay committed to your goals, even during tough times. Chapter 4: Master Your Time. Sharma emphasizes the importance of time mastery for achieving personal mastery. Time is your most valuable asset, and how you spend it determines your level of success. He encourages readers to prioritize their most important tasks and eliminate time-wasting activities. By mastering your time, you can achieve more in less time and focus on activities that contribute to your personal and professional growth. Sharma also advises planning your day in advance and sticking to your priorities. Key takeaways. Time is your greatest asset, use it wisely. Focus on high-priority tasks that lead to significant outcomes. Eliminate distractions and manage your time with intention. Chapter 5: The Art of Lifelong Learning. Sharma strongly advocates for the importance of lifelong learning in this chapter. He explains that to stay ahead in life and continuously improve, you must commit to learning every day. Whether it's through reading, taking courses, or seeking out mentors, constant learning is key to mastering any skill. Sharma recommends setting aside time daily for learning and self-education, as this will help you stay competitive and expand your knowledge in your field. Key takeaways. Lifelong learning is essential for personal and professional growth. Make learning a daily habit by reading, taking courses, and seeking mentorship. Stay curious and always look for ways to expand your knowledge. Chapter 6: Mastering Your Emotions. In this chapter, Sharma delves into emotional mastery as a critical part of personal mastery. He explains that controlling your emotions helps you navigate challenges, setbacks, and difficult situations with calm and clarity. Emotional intelligence is vital for maintaining focus and achieving long-term goals. Sharma suggests practicing mindfulness, meditation, and reflection to manage your emotions better and respond thoughtfully to situations instead of reacting impulsively. Key takeaways. Mastering your emotions is key to staying focused and balanced in challenging situations. Practice mindfulness and emotional awareness to develop greater emotional intelligence. Use emotional mastery to handle stress and maintain a positive outlook. Chapter 7: Building Strong Relationships. Sharma highlights that relationships play a significant role in your personal and professional success. Building strong connections with others helps you grow, find support, and collaborate more effectively. He encourages cultivating meaningful relationships and surrounding yourself with positive, like-minded people who support your goals. Sharma also stresses the importance of clear communication, empathy, and active listening in building strong relationships. Key takeaways. Strong relationships are key to personal growth and success. Surround yourself with people who inspire and support you. Practice empathy, active listening, and clear communication to strengthen your relationships. Chapter 8: The Power of Purpose. In this chapter, Sharma explores the importance of having a clear sense of purpose. He explains that knowing your why gives your life direction and keeps you motivated to achieve your goals. Purpose helps you stay focused during difficult times and gives meaning to your actions. Sharma encourages readers to find their true purpose and align their daily actions with their long-term vision. Key takeaways. Having a clear purpose drives motivation and success. Align your daily actions with your purpose to stay focused and fulfilled. Purpose gives meaning to your work and helps you overcome challenges. Chapter 9: Create a Vision for Your Life. Sharma urges readers to create a vision for their life. A clear vision allows you to set meaningful goals and stay committed to your long-term dreams. He suggests creating a vision board or writing down your goals to visualize your future success regularly. Sharma explains that having a strong vision can inspire you to take action, even when things seem difficult. It's essential to revisit and refine your vision regularly to ensure you stay on track. Key takeaways. A clear vision provides direction and focus in life. Visualize your goals to stay motivated and committed. Regularly revisit and refine your vision as you grow and evolve. Conclusion. The Mastery Manual by Robin Sharma is an essential guide for anyone looking to master their life, career, and personal growth. Through the principles of mindset, daily habits, self-discipline, and emotional mastery, Sharma provides a clear roadmap for achieving excellence and living a life of purpose. If you found this summary helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful book summaries that can help you achieve mastery in all areas of life.